Alright, so here I have a motherboard of the Redmi Note 4 series, and let us see what is inside the motherboard and what are the components in it and what does it do. Here, if this was the phone, then this is the place where the battery and the motherboard was located. So now let's dive deep into the motherboard. And here, as you can see, there are many chips, resistors and capacitors which are very small in size, and motherboard. So now this is the main system on chip, which contains both CPU and GPU, and that is the flash memory. And here, as you can see, this is the place where we insert the SIM, and this is the place where we insert our headphone jack, and there also you can see the IR blaster, and this is the place where back camera is located. And at the back side of the PCB we can see many resistors and capacitors which are mounted to the PCB. And this is the connector from where we connect the display, and also we can see other connectors which is used to connect the camera module and battery module. So here also you can see the LED through which the flashlight will come, and many other chipsets such as the RF transmitter receiver IC, GPS receiver IC, and power management chips, display driver IC, and audio controller IC, etc. Now let me show you something cool. Now here I had scrubbed with sandpaper the memory chip, and as you can see the silicon and structures of it. Alright, so that's all for today. Make sure to like it, and thanks for watching.